You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this character name from Don Quixote. We'll be looking at how to say more names from the book as well, and the author's name too correctly, so stay tuned to learn more. In Spanish, from Spain, this is said as Dulcinea, Dulcinea. In Spanish in Spain, the C there is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth, just like TH, Dulcinea. Now in South America, it will be pronounced like an S, Dulcinea. So it's fine if you want to pronounce it that way. Dulcinea del Toboso, Toboso, Dulcinea del Toboso. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.